Searching for the best smart sprinkler controller feels like staring at a wall of identical plastic boxes. Same app claims, same weather skip features, same save water promises. But here's the thing, once you actually install them, the real differences start showing up in reliability, ease of use, and whether they actually help your lawn survive summer without wasting gallons. Product number 1: Rachio 8-Zone Smart Controller. First up is the Rachio 8-Zone Smart Sprinkler Controller, a premium pick at $244.72, and it's one of the most trusted names in smart irrigation. What caught my eye immediately was its patented weather intelligence system. This isn't just basic rain detection. It pulls hyperlocal forecasts and automatically skips watering when rain, high wind, or freezing temps are expected. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in an area with unpredictable weather, think spring showers one day and heat waves the next, Rachio adapts in real time. The app lets you create custom schedules or go fully automatic, and it even tracks estimated water usage so you can see your savings pile up. With over 1,000 bought in the past month, it's clear people trust its consistency. Installation is genuinely DIY-friendly, takes under 30 minutes, and works with almost any existing system. Now, some people complained about occasional app glitches or Wi-Fi dropouts during setup. Here's the thing though, those issues are usually one-time hiccups during initial pairing, and Rachio's customer support is actually responsive. Once it's running, it's rock solid. If you're serious about water conservation and want a system that thinks for itself, this is worth every penny. This is perfect for you if you have a medium to large yard, hate micromanaging sprinklers, and want maximum automation with minimal effort. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or only need to water a tiny garden. There are cheaper options. But for peace of mind and real water savings, this delivers. Product number 2: Orbit Beehive 6-Zone Controller. Now, if Rachio's price tag made you pause, the Orbit 57,946 Beehive 6-Zone at $127.63 offers serious value. Don't let the lower cost fool you. This thing packs smart features usually found in pricier models. One standout is its indoor-outdoor flexibility. If you've got flower beds, veggie gardens, or potted plants that need precise watering, this controller integrates seamlessly with drip systems. That means no more overwatering shrubs while your tomatoes stay thirsty. The app gives you full remote control, and it automatically adjusts based on local weather, just like the big brands. Over 600 sold recently shows it's a popular middle ground choice. Navigation isn't as intuitive, especially when setting up complex schedules. Here's the thing though, once it's configured, it runs reliably. And for the price, you're getting near-premium functionality without the premium hassle of rewiring or hiring a pro. This is perfect for you if you want smart features without breaking the bank and have a mix of lawn and garden zones. Skip this one if you need more than 6 zones or demand a super polished app experience. But for most homeowners, it's a smart, affordable upgrade. Product number 3: Orbit Beehive 4-Zone Indoor Controller. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for smaller spaces. The Orbit 57,915 Beehive 4-Zone at just $82.29. This is Orbit's budget-friendly entry, and it's ideal if you've got a modest yard, townhouse, or even indoor plants that need consistent care. The key here is simplicity without sacrifice. It still has Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so you can control it from your phone, set schedules, and get weather-based adjustments. But unlike some cheap timers, it actually works reliably with drip systems and rotator sprinklers, so your plants get exactly what they need. The LCD screen is a nice touch for quick checks without pulling out your phone. Now the downside: only 4 zones. If you've got front yard, backyard, side garden, and patio pots, that's your limit. Some users also noted the plastic housing feels a bit flimsy compared to heavier-duty models. Here's the thing though, for under $85, you're getting real smart tech that saves water and time. It's not built for mansions, but for most urban or suburban yards, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you have a small property, rent your home, or just want to dip your toes into smart irrigation. Skip this one if you've got multiple large zones or plan to expand your system later. But for affordability and function, It's a steal. Product number 4, Orbit Beehive 12-Zone Controller. Now, if you've got a sprawling property or manage landscaping for multiple areas, the Orbit 57950 Beehive 12 Zone at $176.82 is where things get serious. This is Orbit's high-capacity model, and it handles big jobs without blinking. Whether you're watering sports fields, large estates, or commercial gardens, 12 zones give you granular control. What makes this stand out is the same smart logic as Orbit's smaller models: weather adjustments, app control, drip compatibility, but scaled up. You can assign different schedules per zone, adjust for seasonal changes, and monitor everything remotely. It's also indoor-outdoor rated, so you can install it wherever's most convenient. With 200 plus sold recently, it's clearly trusted by pros and serious homeowners alike. The catch: at 12 zones, setup takes longer. You'll need to label wires carefully, and the app can get overwhelming if you're not organized. Some users also wished for a built-in screen like the 4-zone version. Here's the thing though, once it's running, it's incredibly stable. And compared to commercial-grade systems that cost thousands, this is a fraction of the price. This is perfect for you if you have a large yard, multiple garden types, or manage irrigation for others. Skip this one if you only need 4-6 zones. You'd be paying for capacity you won't use. But for serious irrigation control, this is a powerhouse. Product number 5, Rainbird Arc 8 Smart Timer. Finally, the Rainbird Arc 8 at $140.93 brings legacy irrigation expertise into the smart age. Rainbird has been making sprinkler systems for decades, and this controller shows they know what real users need. It's EPA WaterSense certified, meaning it's proven to save water, and works with Alexa and Google Assistant right out of the box. What solves your problem here is flexibility. You get 8 zones, 3 programs per zone, and up to 12 start times total. That means you can water your lawn early morning, your garden at noon, and your pots in the evening, all on different schedules. The seasonal adjust feature lets you tweak all run times at once, so you're not wasting water in cooler months. Plus, the LED display gives quick status updates without needing your phone. The downside: the app isn't as modern or smooth as Rachio. Some users found initial setup a bit confusing, especially linking to Wi-Fi. Here's the thing though, Rainbird's hardware is bulletproof. If you value reliability over flashy design, this is a workhorse that'll last years. This is perfect for you if you want proven durability, voice control, and detailed scheduling without premium pricing. Skip this one if you prioritize app aesthetics or live in an area with spotty Wi-Fi. But for solid performance and smart savings, Rainbird delivers. So which one should you pick? Rachio if you want top-tier automation and don't mind spending more. Orbit's 6-zone hits the sweet spot for most homes. The 4-zone is perfect for small spaces on a budget. Need to cover a huge area? Go with Orbit's 12-zone. And if you want trusted hardware with voice control, Rainbird's Arc 8 is a sleeper hit. Whichever you choose, you're saving water, time, and money. Just make sure it matches your yard size and tech comfort.